and show you how it's done. Draw us a picture, Louie. When I colour in, the magic will begin, and together we'll make the picture come real. Draw us a picture, Louie. Take a look and see how easy it can be. Come along and draw with me. So draw us a picture, Louie.
Louie, draw me an aeroplane.
Hello, Yoko.
Hello there, friends. Guess what? I'm teaching Louie how to fly. Go on, Louie. Go on.
Go! Hello, Louie. Hello there, friends.
Shall we carry on?
I can't do it.
But flying is so easy. You have to do this with your wings. You see? Go on, Louie. Go on. Higher. Higher.
All I can see is these wings don't work. Let's try something else.
Oh, I really wanted you to fly with me, Louie.
I've an idea. Wait right here. I'm coming back.
Yippee! Louie's gonna fly with me. Louie's gonna fly with me.
Louie's going to fly with Yoko.
Louie's gonna fly with me. Louie's gonna fly with me.
Oh. I'm going to draw an aeroplane. Well done, that's right.
And a plane, it flies like this.
Hey, I can't do loops like that, Yoko.
Oh, yeah? I'll teach you.
Okay, Yoko. To draw an aeroplane, I start with a curved line for the front.
Hey, and you? Where will you sit?
Here, in this little hole, in the pilot's seat.
Wow! I'm going to fly with the great pilot, Captain Louie.
I draw a line sloping down towards the back and then come back towards the front to finish the cabin.
You know, Louie, it doesn't look like a plane.
And now for the propeller. I draw a small loop, then a long loop underneath. And then...
Hey, Louie, let me do it. I'll help you.
Thank you, Yoko.
Like that.
That's good. I draw a triangle and I add a wheel so that it can land. And now we can draw the tail of the plane with 2 fins.
Wait, I'll help you. Like that.
Perfect.
Yippee! Now then, Louie, are you going to fly with me?
Not just yet. My plane can't fly like that.
But why not?
Because it has no wings.
Oh, of course.
Now for the wing. I draw a big rounded triangle which starts from the body and comes back to join it here. Okay, now all we have to do is take off.
Not quite yet. We should colour it in first.
Yes, of course.
Red for the wings. I'll help you. Do the propellers.
Voila! Isn't our plane great?
Whee! Yippee! It's finished.
Pilot Louie, ready for takeoff.
Here we go. Wow! Woo! Yay!
Wow!
Hiya, Louie. Follow me. you just did your first loop-de-loop.
Let's carry on.
Yes!
To draw an aeroplane which flies very high in the sky, first of all you draw the cabin with a space for the pilot.
Then the propeller, one small loop and two big loops, one at the top and one at the bottom.
And don't forget the tail of the aeroplane with two fins.
And most importantly, the wings, so you can fly like me.
I draw a triangle and I add a wheel so it can land. And when it's coloured in, all you have to do is fly away!
Yoo-hoo! And now, friends, it's your turn to play. See you soon then, friends.
See you soon, Louie. See you soon, Yoko.
Well done, Louie. Louie, draw me a car. Faster, Louie! Faster! I win! Yippee! Hello, friends!
Hello, Yoko. Hello, Louie.
Hello out there, friends.
Shall we have another race, Louie?
It's not fair, Yoko. You fly, whereas I have to run. That's why I finished after you.
Well, I only have little legs, so I have to use my wings to help me.
Yes, that's true. You're right.
So shall we race again?
Okay. But I need some help too. Wait for me.
Louie can draw whatever he likes, but I know for sure that I'm going to win.
Watch carefully, Yoko.
What are you drawing, Louie? A flying carpet?
A little patience and you'll see. I draw a rounded line which starts at the front and then a wave. Like that.
You know, even though it's big, there's no way you're going to beat me using that shoe.
But it isn't a shoe, it's a car.
But that's not what a car looks like.
Yes, but with some wheels, it'll be a racing car. Front wheel.
And I will draw a back wheel. Whee! There we go, a back wheel.
Thank you, Yoko.
That's okay, because the sooner the car is ready, the sooner we can have a race. Woo! Ready?
Wait, Yoko. To drive it, it needs a steering wheel. Now that we've drawn the car, we have to...
Colour it in.
They are clever, old friends.
Me, I'll colour the wheels really, really well. So, can we race now?
Okay.
On your mark!
Yoko.
Oops, sorry. I think I did a false start.
Yoko, we have to start together.
Yes, but how can we do that?
Friends, would you like to start the race for us?
Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
isn't it?
I told you, it's a racing car. Shall we race again?
I'd like to, on the condition that I can have a racing car as well, Louie.
No problem, Yoko. To draw a car,
And win all the races.
first draw a straight line. Then a rounded line for the front of the car. Then half a circle
For the driver's seat.
Yes. Then you draw the back of the car. And don't forget the steering wheel. Then you add the wheels, nice and round. Afterwards, you can colour it in however you like. So, Yoko, do you like the colour?
Not bad, but not as pretty as my wings. Hey, are you coming, Louie?
Coming, Yoko! Once you have finished your car,
You're ready to have a race.
see you soon, friends!
See you soon, Louie. See you soon, Yoko.
May the best driver win. Louie, draw me a tractor.
Hello, Louie. Hello, Yoko.
Hello there, friends! Today, we're going to plant some vegetables.
These your vegetables?
No, these are the seeds. And when you plant them in the ground, they'll grow into nice vegetables.
Wow, it's magic.
No, it's nature. Lots of things can grow in the ground.
I understand. Ta-da! Make me a nice carrot for my friend Louie. And there, some peas. Oh, it's not working, Louie.
Of course not. For seeds to grow, you first turn over the soil. And then we plant the seeds.
Ah. It's impossible.
You're right. Aha! Not if we use a machine especially made for the job.
What are you thinking of?
A big tractor that'll pull the plough.
A tractor? Yippee! I hope that Louie will let me drive. Brum, brum,
Come
brum,
back!
brum, brum.
Are you going to help me draw a tractor?
Oh, yes, Louie.
I start with the wheels. A little wheel at the front and the big wheel at the back.
Here we go.
And then I draw a straight line like that. And then I draw the bonnet like an escalator step. I continue by drawing another step to make the outline of the cabin.
My turn.
Perfect. Then you come straight back down to join up with the back wheel.
Boom, boom.
Above the back wheel, I draw a mudguard, like that. Then the inside of the cabin for the driver, by following the first line.
My turn.
Well done! Now we just have to draw the headlights. And a very thin long rectangle for the chimney.
And me, as I love driving, I'm going to draw
A steering wheel.
Now we have to draw the plough. Like some teeth that will dig into the soil to turn it over. That's one tooth.
2.
And 3. Then we just have to link up our plough to our lovely tractor.
Leave it, Louie. I'll do it.
for us to
drive it.
It's time to
Colour it in.
blue.
1, 2, 3, and there.
Finished. Come on, Yoko, let's go. I will drive and you'll sew.
Oh, fine. Okay. One seat, 2 seats, 3 seats. Hey, Louie. I'm a little bit tired. Can I drive the tractor?
To draw a tractor, you start with the wheels, one little wheel at the front,
And one big wheel at the back.
a line to join up the 2 wheels. Next, you draw a step for the bonnet. You go back up to draw the cabin and back down to draw the back wheel. Then you draw a mudguard and the driver's cabin.
You add a light and a chimney on the bonnet. Not forgetting the steering wheel.
That's right. Now we have to draw the plough, like teeth that will dig into the soil. Then you have to join it up to the tractor.
And you can colour it in however you like.
Ta-da! A tractor and plough.
Yippee! Vroom, vroom.
Yoko, Yoko!
Hang on, Louie. There's one more thing left to plant. You never know. When we come back, we might be able to harvest some sweeties. See you soon, my friends.
See you soon, Louie. See you soon, Yoko.
Louie, draw me a train.
Hello, Louie.
Hello there, my friends. Has anyone seen Yoko?
No.
We're supposed to be meeting here to go on a bike ride. Yoko! Yoko!
I'm here. Take this, Louie.
Hello, Yoko.
Hello there, my friends.
Come on, Yoko. Let's go.
Wait, Louie. You did say I could bring a friend, didn't you?
Yes?
Yippee! Let me introduce my friend Daisy.
Hello, how are you? It's kind of you to invite me with you.
Hello, Daisy. The only problem is we can't fit all of us on my bike.
Oh, I understand.
Don't worry, Daisy. Louie will find a solution. Well,
We just have to find a better method of transport. I'll be back.
didn't I tell you my friend Louie was clever?
Aye, what's he going to do, Yoko?
He's going to draw you a bike for cows.
But no, I'd be very surprised.
I'm going to draw a train.
Yippee! I told you so. Why a train?
Because with a train, you can transport as many people and as many goods as you like.
Well done, Daisy.
Oh, it's nothing. I see trains every day. I usually watch them go flying by.
First of all, I draw the
Motive! I see trains every day.
We are going to start with the train driver's cabin. A big rectangle. Would you like to help me, Yoko?
Oh, yes, please. Ready to draw a large rectangle. Zoom, bam, zam.
Perfect. And now for the window, a square. There. Next, I draw the front of the locomotive. First, a line straight across. And you do the same above it.
Here we go.
Stop! Now, Yoko, you join my line.
Here I come. And what should I draw now?
A charming chimney.
Well done, Daisy!
It's nothing. I see trains every day.
Yoko, you draw a little rectangle and on top a big funnel shape.
Like that?
Perfect! To finish the locomotive, all we need to do is draw...
The wheels!
Oh, children, you know all about trains too.
Yes!
1, 2, 3, 4. With some little lines inside for the spokes of the wheels.
But Louie, there isn't enough space for Daisy in our train.
And that's why we're going to draw...
A carriage.
Yes, a large rectangle behind the locomotive.
I'll do it!
And me, I'm going to draw the carriage wheels.
And now all we have to do is...
Colour it
This train is lovely. Not like the trains
You see every day. All aboard! And we're off!
Daisy!
Hello, Rose. Look at me. For once I get to ride in the train.
But I'd like to ride in a train.
To draw a train, you start with the locomotive. A rectangle for the driver's cabin and a square for the window. Then you draw the front of the locomotive. On top, you draw a rectangle and a funnel for the chimney.
Then the wheels. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Behind the locomotive, you draw a carriage with some more wheels. 1 and 2.
You can colour it in however you like.
See you soon, friends.
See you soon, Louie! See you soon, Yoko!
Louie, draw me a boat.
My castle tower is nearly finished. There we are. And with a windmill, it will be even prettier.
Not bad, Louie.
Oh! Ah! My hat!
Help! Help me, Louie!
You okay, Yoko?
I think I am.
Hello there, friends.
Hello, Louie! Hello, Yoko!
It's very windy today. Yoko, what can we do when it's windy?
Yeah. We can stay in the house, nice and warm. And we can drink a big mug of hot chocolate.
Well, I have another idea. How would you like to travel with the wind?
Yes!
Okay, let's do it! Woohoo!
Travel with the wind? But how can we travel with the wind? Oh,
There!
what are you doing, Louie?
I'm going to draw a boat.
Yippee!
It's a boat that's powered by...
Well, I'm absolutely sure that boats don't move by themselves. They don't have any legs. Do you agree with me, friends?
Yes!
That's true, but my boat will be pushed by the wind because it's a boat with sails. You'll see. I draw a line to make the bottom of the hull. Then there is a second line, like that. And there is the hull. And now, folks, I will create the mast. Yoko, can you make the mast longer by going straight up?
No problem, Captain Louie. Like that?
Perfect.
What's the mast?
A mast? It holds up the sails.
Oh, yes. So then, Louie, where are the sails?
You'll know that soon enough, because you're going to help me draw them.
Me? But I don't know how to draw sails.
Don't worry, Yoko. It's very easy. I draw a line from the mast straight to the back of the boat, like that. And you, Yoko, with the crayon, draw a line to the top of the mast, OK?
Yes, sir, Captain. Whee! Like that?
Perfect. And now we will draw the front sail. I draw the same line towards the front of the hull, like that.
And me? What do I do?
The same again.
Here we go! Is that okay?
Great, Yoko. Now we just have to...
Colour it in!
Our friends are clever. Let's go, Sailor Yoko.
Go on, Louie! Go on, Yoko!
It really is a shame that boats don't have any legs.
I'm worn out.
Go on, Louie!
You can do it, Louie! Ooh.
Yippee! Well done, Yoko.
Did you see how strong I am?
Yes!
Sailor Yoko, let's go.
Why aren't we moving?
I don't think there's any more wind.
Oh, no!
I've got an idea! Oh, dear.
Yippee! The wind's picking up, Yoko.
Now I'm the captain! Off we go!
To draw a boat, first of all, you have to draw the hull. One line to make the bottom of the hull, a second line for the top, and two slanted lines to join them up. A mast and some sails. One line straight up and two big triangles. One at the front and one at the back.
And now, all that's left to do is to colour it in!
And don't forget to put your boat on the water.
Bon voyage! See you soon then, friends!
See you soon, Louie! See you soon, Yoko!
Louie, draw me a rocket. Hello there, friends!
Hello, Louie! Hello, Yoko!
Watch carefully. Hey! Hey! Louie, did you see how light I am?
I know how to jump with both feet too. Oh no!
That's because, Louie, you are too heavy to jump over the puddles.
Too heavy? Oh, but wait, Yoko. I know a place where I'll be less heavy.
A place where you'll be less heavy. Where's that?
Up there. Friends, what do you see up there?
Louie, you want to go to the moon? But why?
You'll see. On the moon, you can do all sorts of extraordinary things.
But it's too far.
Yes, but I know how to get there. Wait for me. Back soon.
Go to the moon? Come on. I sometimes wonder if Louie isn't just...
Being silly.
Yoko? You're going to help me draw a rocket. A big one.
A rocket? But I don't know how to draw a rocket, Louie.
But it's very easy. You'll see. First you draw a line, like this. And two little lines, like this.
Cool.
It's missing something to fly with. Something that you have, Yoko?
Oh, yeah. My antennas.
No. Some wings, see? We have to draw a crescent shape on each side to make a wing.
And a second wing.
And now we'll...
Climb on board.
Not yet, Yoko. We have to draw the cabin, like an egg. And now all we have left to do is...
Climb on board.
colour in the rocket. Do you want to do that, Yoko?
Yeah, I'm going to colour it in red.
There, you see? Isn't our rocket pretty?
Yes, very pretty.
So then, Yoko, what are you waiting for?
I don't know.
Climb on board!
Yippee! Blast off!
Hey! Ground control! You do the countdown, okay?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Oh, what's happening? My wings don't work anymore.
That's normal, Yoko. On the moon, there's no air. That is why you cannot fly. On the other hand, Yoko, you can jump.
Wow!
Jump very, very high.
Can I do that as well, Louie?
Of course. Go on. Don't be scared.
Go on, Yoko,
Louie, did you see all the somersaults that I did?
Yes, look at this one. Watch, a backward flip. Whoa!
I'm coming! Whee! We are true acrobats. Oh, Louie, there's another moon in the sky, a blue one.
That's Earth. From far away, it looks blue because there's lots of water on Earth.
Oh, I understand. Louie, how do we get home?
To draw a rocket, you draw a vertical line.
And at the bottom, you leave a little gap for the engine.
You add a wing on each side.
In the shape of a crescent.
And afterwards, you draw the cabin. To finish, you can colour it in any colours you like. And then your lovely rocket is ready to travel into space. We'll see you back on Earth then, friends.
See you soon, Louie. See you soon, Yoko.
Does it look like a balloon?
Yes, yes. Watch this.
Oh!
Voila!
Wow! Wow! It's like a trampoline!
Everything okay, Yoko?
It was so much fun, Louie. You should try it.
Yoko, I'd be surprised if that worked.
We'll see about that. But why can't I do it?
I think you're far too little to blow up this big balloon, Yoko.
So then, what can we do so that you can fly too, Louie?
I've an idea. Stay right there. I'll be back.
I'm going to have another go.
Go on, Yoko! Go on!
Here we go. I'm going to draw a hot air balloon.
A hot air balloon? What's that?
You'll see. To draw a hot air balloon, first I draw a square.
But Louie, why a square?
That's for the basket, Yoko. That's where we're going to stand when we are flying. And there. Then I draw 2 lines going up. And a line across like that. And next, I draw another square. Would you like to help me with the next bit, Yoko?
Wow, with pleasure.
Your turn.
Thank you, Louie.
Now you draw a large circle, as big as possible. Remember, you have to draw it as if it were a big light bulb.
Okay. Like that.
Perfect, Yoko.
It's like a big upside-down pear.
Exactly, Yoko. But I wouldn't want to eat it. And now, all that we have to do is...
Colour it in!
Well done, friends.
Wait, I'll do it. And there.
Well done, Yoko!
Thank you, friends. It's true that I'm very good at colouring in.
Very pretty, Yoko, but it's still not done. What about the basket? Ta-da!
Yippee!
Okay, all aboard!
Can we go now?
Whoops, I almost forgot.
Ah! Wow! What's that flame for?
Don't be scared, Yoko. It's for heating the air in the balloon.
Heating the air in the balloon?
Because hot air is lighter than cold air, when the balloon is full of hot air, it goes up into the sky.
Oh, you're so clever, Louie. Here we go. We're off! We're off! You see, Louie? Now you can fly by balloon too.
To draw a hot air balloon, you start by drawing a square for the basket. Then you draw 2 lines going up and then draw a line across. Next, you draw another square.
And then, on top, you draw a circle as big as possible. As if it was a large light bulb or a pear.
And you can colour it in however you like. Hey, look! Your hot air balloon's over there, Yoko.
My hot air balloon?
Of course, so we can race. Are you ready?
Oh, yes. But what do I have to do to make this balloon go?
The sleigh, Yoko.
Oh, yes.
Well done, Yoko.
Let's go! Catch me if you can, Yoko!
Hey, that's cheating, Louie.